Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this messy updo which is perfect for short to medium length hair. To start, we're going to gather up the crown section of the hair and we're just going to divide this into 3 equal sections and do a regular 3-strand braid just a couple of inches down the hair. Then secure it off with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to add some wax spray over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then using your fingers, we're going to gently pinch and pull at that crown for some more messy volume. Then pinch and pull on the edge of your braid. Okay, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides, and I'm going to take a section of hair right next to that crown section. And we're going to repeat the same section on the left hand side of the head. And we're going to bring these 2 sections together over the top of that braid at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Then pop a couple of fingers behind that elastic band, pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Next, add some dry texture spray to those twists on both sides. Again, I'll link them in the description, and then pinch and pull them apart for some more volume. Okay, moving back over to the right hand side of the head, I'm taking a slice of hair just above the ear, and we're going to divide this in half so you have a top and bottom section. Wrap the bottom section over the top. And then with that new bottom section, we're going to add a little bit of hair from the hairline and again wrap it over the top of that top section. So I'll show you one more time. Add some hair from the hairline to that bottom section, combine them together and wrap the bottom section over the top. And we want to work our way round to the middle of the back of the head, adding hair and twisting until we get to halfway round. Once you get to the middle, stop adding hair and just give the hair a couple of twists. Then secure it off with a clear elastic band. And all I'm going to do is roll those ends underneath that twist, holding it to the head and securing with a couple of bobby pins at the end. I like to slip a couple of bobby pins through the length of the twist to keep everything nice and secure as well. And we're going to repeat the same twist on the opposite side. So take a section of hair above the ear and divide it into 2. Then twist the bottom section over the top, add your hair to the bottom section and keep twisting until you run out of hair. Then just give it another couple of twists and secure it with a band, but only pull the ends part way through to create a small loop. And then we're just going to roll this loop underneath that new twist, hold it to the nape of the neck and secure with a couple of pins. Don't forget to add pins through the length of your twist to keep it secure. And if you have any pieces hanging down, wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them underneath. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.